Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add tables to rich text fields on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now you can add tables to pretty much any rich text field, be it on your product descriptions or on any other field you might want to add, and it's all added with just a couple of button presses, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it right now. Now as you can see, currently I'm on my home page. Let me just turn this off for a second, and what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to go to my products tab, and I'm going to edit one of my products. So as you can see, I've made this test product before, and I'm going to use it to demonstrate how to add tables. Now as you can see, I just have this text line in my description. I'm going to promptly delete that, and what I'm going to do to enter a table is I'm going to click on the three dots right over here, and the rightmost icon is the insert table icon. Just click on that, click insert table, and as you can see, you can now modify your table from here. You can add however many fields you would like, and if we go into tables, as you can see, you can insert rows below, you can insert rows above as well, you can insert columns to the right or after, or to the left or before, depending on what you want. And as you can see, you can create tables pretty easily using that. Now I'll just add in some test text. Of course, you can format this text however you would like, really doesn't matter. But as you can see, it's pretty much as easy as that, and it's as easy as it gets. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.